Hello guys, today we are gonna be knowing about the world's most mysterious place. I think you all must have heard about the Bermuda Triangle. So guys, to gain much information, watch till the end. The Bermuda Triangle, also known as the Devil's Triangle or Hurricane Alley, is a loosely defined region in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean, where a number of aircraft and ships are said to have disappeared under mysterious circumstances. Popular culture has attributed various disappearances to the paranormal or activity by extraterrestrial beings. There is no evidence that mysteriously disappearances occur with any great frequency in the Bermuda Triangle than any other large, well-traveled area of the ocean. Now, geographical features. The Bermuda Triangle is an imaginary area of the Atlantic Ocean, whose three defining points include Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. Depending upon which account you read, the size of Bermuda Triangle ranges from 5 lakh square miles to 15 lakh square miles. And some accounts include the Gulf of Mexico, the Azores, and the West Indies. When Christopher Columbus sailed through the area on his first voyage to the New World, he reported that a great flame of fire, probably a meteor, crashed into the sea one night and that a strange light appeared in the distance a few weeks later. He also wrote about erratic compass readings, perhaps because at the time a sliver of the Bermuda Triangle was one of the few places on Earth where true north and magnetic north lined. Now comes the incidents and the disappearances. On June 9, 1965, a US aircraft C-119 flying boxcar of the 442 Carrier Wing missing between Florida and Grand Turk Island. The last call from the plane came from a point just north of Crooked Island, Bahamas, and 177 miles from Grand Turk Island. On July 18, 1965, debris from the plane was found on the beach of Gold Rock Cay, just off the northeastern shore of Acklins Island. On December 1, 1925, SS Cotopaxi ship, having departed Charleston, South Carolina 2 days earlier, bound for Havana, Cuba, radioed a distress call reporting that the ship was sinking. She was officially listed as overdue on 31 December. In 1985, an unknown shipwreck was found off St. Augustine, Florida. In 2020, it was identified as the remains of the SS Cotopaxi. On July 10, 1945, US Navy PBMS-3 patrol seaplane with Thomas Arthur Garner and 11 crew members lost. They left the Naval Air Station, Banana River, Florida at 7:07 p.m. on July 9, 1945 for a radar training flight to Great Exuma, Bahamas. Their last radio position report was sent at 1:16 a.m. on July 10, 1945 near Providence Island, after which they were never heard from again. In 1958, Roanoke, a racing yawl, was lost with owner Harvey Conover and 4 others between Key West and Miami, Florida in a hurricane. The only trace found was the Roanoke Cottonfoot skiff near Jupiter, Florida. In July 2015, two 14-year-old boys, Austin Stephanos and Perry Cohen, went on a fishing trip in their 19-foot boat. Despite the 15,000 square nautical mile wide search by US Coast Guard, the pair's boat was found a year later off the coast of Bermuda, but the boys were never seen again. Likewise, many incidents occurred. In 1981, a sailing ship, the Ellen Austin 6, on January 31, 1921, Carol, a Deering 5-master schooner. In 1941, USS Proteus ship. On December 5, 1945, Flight 19, and the later same day, PBM Mariner lost while searching for Flight 19. On July 3, 1947, the aircraft B-29 Super Fortress. On January 13, 1948, Avro Tudor GAHNP Star Tiger, and on December 28, 1948, Douglas DC 3NC16002, and many more, I guess. As you all know, there are so many theories relating to Bermuda Triangle. The scores of fellow paranormal writers have blamed the triangle's supposed lethalness on everything from aliens, Atlantis, and sea monsters to time wraps and reverse gravity fields. Whereas more scientifically minded theorists have pointed to magnetic anomalies, water spouts, or huge eruptions of methane gas from the ocean floor. Some writers have expanded upon Berlitz ideas about the city of Atlantis, suggesting that the mythical city may lie at the bottom of the sea and be using its reputed crystal energies to sink ships and planes. Atlantis is a fictional island mentioned in an allegory on the hubris of nations in Plato's works, where it represents the antagonist naval power that besieges ancient Athens. In the story, Athens repels the Attalian attack unlike any other nation of the known world, supposedly bearing witness to the superiority of Plato's concept of the state. The story concludes with Atlantis falling out of the favor with the deities and submerging into the Atlantic Ocean. Now, according to science, scientists have dared to declare that the mystery of the Bermuda Triangle has been solved by claiming there was no mystery in the first place. They say magnetic waves are beneath the Bermuda Triangle which only are responsible for the disappearances. Now guys, it's time for 7 most interesting facts about the Bermuda Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle is one of only 2 places on Earth where a compass points to true north rather than magnetic north. Second is, the area is known for extremely violent and unexpected storms which build up and dissipate quickly. Third is, the area has one of the highest incidents of UFO sightings, and alien abductions have been a popular explanation for the disappearances. Fourth is, the Bermuda Triangle isn't fixed, and its effect can be experienced outside of the triangle too. Number 5 is, in Bermuda Triangle people have experienced electronic fog, which can be a time travel too. Amazing! Number 6 is, during summers Bermuda Island experiences powerful thunderstorms that build up inland and create big black clouds. And the last one is, the ocean under the triangle is some of the deepest in the world, going from a gently sloping continental shelf to an extremely deep drop-off. And that's it for today's video, and I hope you liked that.